In other news, the death toll from the combined effects of Tropical Storm Maring and the enhanced monsoon rains has climbed to 25. The NDRRMC said the latest in the list of fatalities were 3 drowning victims from Olongapo City in Zambales. They were identified as Archie Camueda, Nazareth Dulao, and Rafael Limintil. Of the 25 deaths, 12 were reported in Calabarzon, 11 in Central Luzon, and 1 each from the Cordillera and Metro Manila. The NDRRMC said at least 30 were injured, while 3 remain missing. The widespread floods and heavy rain had affected 642,884 families, or 2,928,348 people in 1,048 villages in 154 towns and 37 cities in 18 provinces. Damage to infrastructure and agriculture was estimated at 633 million pesos. At least 494 houses were destroyed, while 1,037 were damaged.
Ang inaasahan natin na akit ngayon itong cause of damage, lalong-lalo na sa agriculture. Unti-unti na rin bumababa itong mga lugar na binabaha at saka itong mga kalsada na hindi pa madaanan. We expect lesser kasi hindi na siya magla-landfall. Well, sabi based dun sa forecast ng Pag-asa,